Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we are going to read passage number 8 of O-Level Islamia 2058. Today, as usual, we would read the Arabic text of the passage, its English translation, the main themes of this passage, and the importance of these themes in a Muslim's life today. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم صدق الله العظيم. These are the first 5 verses of Surah Al-Alaq. Surah Al-Alaq is the 96th surah of the Holy Quran. The English translation of these verses is, read in the name of your Lord who created man out of a clot of a congealed blood. Proclaim, and your Lord is most bountiful. He who taught by the pen, taught man what he did not know. What is the main theme or themes of this passage? The main theme of this passage is very much important. You must write it down. Students, please note it down. The main theme of this passage is Allah's relationship with His created world. These verses, as I told you earlier, are taken from Surah Al-Alaq, the 96th surah of the Holy Quran. These verses are the first revelation that the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam had received in the cave of Hira in the month of Ramadan in the year 610 AD. This passage mentions Allah's power to create and ensure the survival and growth of mankind. Allah created man from a low origin and then matured him physically, mentally, and spiritually, and enabled him to read and write. Man's ability to acquire knowledge means to learn both worldly and divine sciences, so that man is able to find means of physical survival as well as take care of his intellectual and spiritual development. Allah revealed divine books for spiritual guidance of mankind. Thus, man is totally dependent on his creator in all spheres of life. What is the importance of these themes in a Muslim's life today? This theme is very much important for a Muslim's life. According to the theme of this passage, Muslims are required to acknowledge Allah's goodness and greatness as He created man from a very low origin and then enabled him to acquire worldly and religious knowledge. Human ability to learn has made him superior to all other creatures, and that's why the first revelation begins with the command, read. Muslims are taught to identify their Lord by acquiring knowledge and realizing their humbleness before their Lord who elevated them over other creatures. They should adore Him alone and be grateful to Him because of His special bounties bestowed upon human beings. Students, this was our today's lecture. And I hope you'd be able to benefit this lecture, and it would become very much easy for you all to write in the examination its main themes and the importance of these themes in a Muslim's life today. Assalamu alaikum.